Accessing Edge can be done by either the following two ways. The first way is by clicking Edge on the Extranet homepage. This will take you right into the application. No additional login is needed. The second is through your ASA Abloy Connect account. Notice at the top that you have an online ordering tab. Click this tab to access not only Edge, but all of your ASA Abloy web tools you have permissions for. If you have forgotten your Extranet password, click the Forgot Password button to reset. If you are not seeing Edge as part of your online ordering tools, reach out to your Currys customer service professional and we will get you access quickly. If you do not have access to AA Connect, reach out to your local ASA Abloy Door Security Solutions sales consultant. They will work with you to get a profile set up so that you can begin getting access to these online tools. Thank you for your partnership, and we will look forward to serving you for all of your online ordering needs.